What's the meaning of anti-inflammatory? Anti-inflammatory. 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 Anti-inflammatory.
Anti-inflammatory refers to a substance or treatment that reduces inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to a range of health problems such as arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin, ibuprofen, and corticosteroids work by reducing the production of the chemicals that cause inflammation. This, in turn, can help relieve pain, swelling, and redness associated with conditions like arthritis. Additionally, lifestyle changes such as eating a healthy diet and exercising regularly can also have anti-inflammatory effects on the body.